Hey guys, okay, today we're going to speak about bust down. Bust downs, bust down, bust downs. I have to tell you, when you guys going and buying a chain like this, which my customer paid 55,000 US dollars, okay? This is a chain, this is 14 karat gold with true VS. I give you that, it is VS diamonds across the board. But this is only 314 grams. When you pay for 314 grams, you have around 40 carats of diamonds. You pay 55,000. You come, you try to sell it back. You ask me why the guy that sold it don't want to buy it for me back. I'll explain you why he don't want to buy it back. Because he's feeling uncomfortable because he made so much money off you guys. If he would offer you only 20,000, you would be insulted. You would not want to sell a chain that you paid $55,000 only for 20,000. It doesn't make sense. I understand you. So I'll tell you a little bit about why it cost him 55,000. He made it custom for him. Okay, he wanted exactly this length. He wanted only VS, VVS, super white diamonds. He was picky. Okay, 14 karat gold. I understand. But you have to understand, you buying, when you are picky and you want specific characters and everything, you're paying top dollars. Because you have here 40 carats of diamonds. 40 carats of diamonds, these quality, probably cost the guy around $550 to $600 to the guy that made the chain. He want to make a profit. He want to throw in another $100, $200 kit. I don't know how he do his business. And then you have 314 grams of 14 karat gold. Just a raw number to buy the gold will cost him around $44 a gram for 14 karat gold nowadays. Labor just to make the links, another easy $10. That's before the actual selling. So $10 a gram, 10 plus for 314 grams is over $3,000 right there. You have here over 2,000 diamonds. To set 2,000 diamonds, this type of setting, easy $2, $2.50 per stone. So you have another $5,000 in labor. So if you add everything up, the 14,000 of the gold, plus the 3,000 labor for the links, plus the 40 carats times like $600, $24,000 for the diamonds. Add everything and put a 10-20% profit for the actual guy that made it, you come to the ridiculous price of $55,000, which, I'm sorry, it is ridiculous. I acquired the piece. I bought it from him, okay? I'll be very honest with you. I paid $25,000, okay? That's less than half than he paid. I'm not trying to be rich off you guys. I paid 25, I'm going to sell it for 10% more. 25 plus 10%, that's 27.5, okay? If you do the math, 27.5, it's exactly half of the price that he originally paid. Half. So when you buy from me, 27.5, you can resell it, okay? You're not in a position that you can lose money. Why? Because you didn't pay the ridiculous retail price. You paid only 27.5. You can post it online because these chains usually go for mid-30s, low 30s. So you can buy it from me for $27,500, put a few $1,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, try to sell it for $32,500, $32,000. First offer of profit that you have, just let go. In the meanwhile, you made money, and in the meanwhile, you sell it, you wear it, you enjoy, you're rocking it, you know. You have a bust down Cuban link chain on you, and still, you know, the money's here. It's very solid. The money's here, and eventually you're gonna make money whenever you're gonna sell it. So this is this. And another very important thing: when we sell to you an item, always, no matter what, which item, it can be a chain, it can be a watch, it can be anything. I don't know how you're gonna abuse the chain or not, or how you're gonna use it. If it's gonna be well kept, I will buy it for around 10% less, okay? If it's a little beat up, maximum that I pay, anything I'll sell you. Worst scenario, I'll buy it for 20% less, okay? So if you pay $27,500, deduct $5,500, that's $22,500. That is the worst price that I will give you. Probably I'll give you more, okay? Between 20 to 10% less than the price you paid. I always will pay. It doesn't matter, gold go up, gold go down. That's the price I'm buying, okay? Obviously, because I know I do not overcharge. Other stores will not do that because they overcharge. A lot of them. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to, a lot of the stores, they just retail. They're trying to sell one piece a week, two pieces a week. We're not. We're selling pieces right and left, guys. We're selling every day. We sell 2-3 pieces. You understand? So I'm not worried. I'm not trying to make $1 million off you guys. Okay, this chain is 14 karat gold. This is prong setting. The design is a little bit different. Some people prefer this design. Prong setting is more stand out. This is 14 karat, 182.5 grams. This is true VS diamonds. You have around 22 carats of diamonds. This chain sold originally for around $30,000. Okay, anywhere you'd see. Not even with this quality, much less of a diamond quality, like lower quality, you'll see for around 30 or high 20s. Guys, come to BALILI's. I'll sell you this chain, and it's going to be in our store as well as a promotional price. For one price, I'll sell it to you for $14,500. We won't take offers. This is the best possible price for this chains, okay? $14,500 leaves you so much room you don't even imagine, okay? If you buy from me for $14,500, you can put it online for $20,000. You know what? Don't be that greedy. Put it for $19,500. Take an offer for it. Take $19,000. Take $18,000. It's still good. You make $3,500 when you sell it for $18,000. And guess what? In the meanwhile, you put it on your neck. You're gonna make beautiful, beautiful, you know, head turns. All the ladies look at it. Wow, bust down, unique. This is flashing. It's a beautiful chain to have. And still, when you're gonna sell it, you're gonna make money off of it, okay? So that. Let me go with you with one of my personal favors. I love these links, okay? This link is called Gucci link. This is two-tone. It's white and rose, okay? You can wear it upside down. Some people like it, but if you want to be flashier, just wear it like this with all the blinks. Beautiful. This actually it's a signed piece, okay? It is 38 carats overall with round stones and baguettes. You have baguettes and round stones together. This is 14 karat gold. It's almost 150 gram, right around 150 gram of 14 karat gold with 38 carats. A chain like this, I'm not kidding you, okay? I looked here in our block in downtown Miami. I seen the same exact chain. I entered, I weighed the chain, I seen how much they're charging. Guys, they're charging $39,500, okay? This is ridiculous price. This is a ridiculous, whoever said it and looking at me right now, he knows that this is the guy, okay? $39,500 is just way too high. You're gonna buy it right here in BALILI's. We're gonna put it as steal of the day sometimes this week for only $19,500. Guys, you can't find anything cheaper than that. Never, not even close. You won't find it for 30. Give me 1 minute, I'll be with you. Guys, when we say fuck the rest, come to the best, this is why we say fuck the rest, come to the best. We have the biggest selection anywhere, okay? Best prices no matter what. We beat anyone else's prices. We have it in stock. We don't need to go grab it, show you this and that, all that BS. We have everything in-house, okay? This is only one table full of items, okay? We have kilos and kilos of worth of merchandise. And guess what?
I know everybody gonna tell you, listen, we got the best prices in the market, come to me. But no, brother, come over here, try me. I guarantee you're gonna have the best prices in the market, the highest selection, and just come by, try me, and you're gonna see I'm the best. And fuck the rest, come to the best.
BALILI's.